The most common issues with BMW X5 key fobs are a dead battery or lost connection. First, replace the battery. The X5 fob uses a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin battery. If a new battery doesn't solve it, resync the fob. For 2023 and newer models, use the iDrive system to repair via Bluetooth settings. These steps solve about 90% of key fob issues according to BMW technicians. If battery replacement and resyncing don't work, the problem might be with your X5's antenna or receiver. This module, typically located in the trunk or under the dashboard, can degrade due to corrosion or electromagnetic interference, especially in urban areas with 5G towers. While diagnosing this issue often requires an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes, consider EMI. If this happens often when you're near high 5G areas, then it may be the cause. Looking ahead, BMW is trending toward digital keys via smartphones and biometric entry, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Keep an eye out for software updates through Connected Drive that improve Bluetooth pairing and reduce false lockouts. While no widespread recall has been issued, BMW has extended warranties on key fobs for X5 models post-2020, so check if your vehicle qualifies.